Hello and welcome back to this episode. So in this one we're going to teach you how to do SEO, which means search engine optimization. This is how we'll have people from the internet find your website. So if you scroll down on this page, you can see that we have a title, a description, and some keywords. So all these are kind of important to get people to be able to organically search you on Google and pull up your website. So for example, for this website, the business is located in Merced, California, and they do concrete. So we're going to search for some keywords. So we want to put as many of these keywords as we can in, but we only want to do up to about 20, no more than 20. So we'll pick some towns and we'll just select them. Once we have them selected, we're going to both add them to the content and we're going to add tags. So see, right now we're adding them to the content and we're going to add the tags. So what you can also do, since we already have a list of keywords that we want to use, we can just select them from a different post and copy them. We can paste them into our tags in this area and click add. And then we can also go up to our post and add them to our content. So as you see, we're going to the edit content, and we're going to select these tags at the end. See those keywords, copy those and paste them into our keywords. And that's pretty much it. So when we search for our SEO keywords, we want to make sure that we're searching for keywords that are going to get people that are searching in our area that they're going to be searching for. So if they're looking for Merced Concrete, we want to make sure that it's Merced Concrete, California. As you can see now, we have our tags and we have our SEO keywords. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.